Hello, everybody. Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick command tip on how you can create your own magazine within Command. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you and let's get started. All right, first things first, go to KW Command, which is agent.kw.com. And then we're going to go to Designs, which is down here on the left side, the paper with the paintbrush. So once you're here, you're going to go to the blue plus sign at the bottom right of your screen. And then we're going to click print because we're going to create a magazine that you can print, or you can also download it and email it or post it on social media. So click print, then click next. So once this opens up, you are going to go to the left side to lead generation. And then down here to personally branded zine. So click that, and that brings up the two different magazine templates that are available. Both of these are really great, so feel free to look through them and choose which one you'd like to use. Once you're ready, you're going to click on the red Use button at the top of that magazine. So that'll pull up the magazine editable in Designs. And so from here, how you do this, you can look at each of these on this side view here and just kind of review it, see if it's something that you would like to add to your magazine. And if it is something you want to actually use, click this plus sign at the top of that page that says Add New Page. That's going to bring it right here where it's editable. And keep in mind, if you can't read something like these are a little small, you can go down here where it says fit and click the plus sign so that you can zoom in more and easily read what's on this page. So once it opens here, you can double click in here and type your information. Okay. And you can delete this. I always do that. If you make a mistake, just click the undo button right here, this arrow. You click on the DBA. That's always there to remind you to put your DBA logo. So I delete it and then I just put the correct one on here. So resize that to the right size. So then you can finish all your changes and then go back to templates and add the next one that you want. Let's say we want to add this one, okay? We click the plus sign. Now, something to note, the changes I just made to that cover page, the very front page of the magazine, if you click this pages button at the bottom right, you'll see how many pages are on it. And the pages that you've selected and edited are saved over here as you go through it. Okay, so I've added quite a few pages here, and then any changes that you make, you'll be able to see them as you click through these, okay? So once you have finished your changes, let's say that this is done, you'll go up here to done if you're finished. However, if you want to go ahead and download, you can click download. And if you're printing them, I suggest PDF for printing. And then you can select what pages you want to print right here. And then once it downloads, you can print them. And then you have a really cool magazine that you can give your clients. Now, like I said, keep in mind, you can always change the file type to JPEG or PNG. And when you do that, you can save it, you download it and save it to your computer as either a JPEG or a PNG image. And you do that so that you can use, let's say you only want to put this particular page on Facebook or any social media platform or email. You can just go in here, share, and then, I'm sorry, go in here to download, change this to JPEG, and then select what page number that is that you want to save, okay? All right, if you guys ever have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.